Have you ever seen your beautiful plants drooping after heavy rain? Or worse, lost a few during a storm? In today's video, I'll share simple, effective, and beginner-friendly tips to protect your home garden during rainy days, storms, and natural disasters. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Canada, or Australia, these hacks will save your sensitive plants and keep your garden healthy, no matter the weather. First, it's important to understand what affects your garden during extreme weather. Heavy rain can drown plant roots and cause fungal infections. Strong winds can break delicate branches. Flooding can wash away nutrients. Storms and hail can damage leaves and flowers. If you know the risks, you can prepare your plants in advance, and that's what we'll focus on next. One of the biggest reasons plants die during rain is waterlogging. So let's fix that. Always use pots with drainage holes for potted plants. For garden beds, raise the soil level slightly so excess water flows away. Mix in sand, cocoa peat, or perlite with your soil to improve water drainage. Pro tip: if your garden is on flat land, create small trenches around plants. This directs rainwater away and keeps roots safe. Some plants are extra sensitive, like herbs, flowers, and young seedlings. Here's how to keep them safe. Use plastic sheets or grow tunnels to cover delicate plants during heavy rain. Place garden netting to protect leaves from hail and strong winds. For potted plants, move them under a shade or balcony roof when storms are predicted. Even a simple plastic bottle cut in half works great as a mini cover for baby plants. Rain washes away important nutrients, leaving your soil weak. To fix this, add a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, dry leaves, straw, or wood chips around plants. Mulch locks in nutrients and prevents soil erosion. After heavy rain, give your plants a boost with organic compost or liquid fertilizer to restore lost minerals. After the rain stops, don't ignore your plants. Check for standing water and drain it immediately. Remove damaged, yellow, or broken leaves to avoid disease spread. Loosen compacted soil so roots can breathe again. Spray an organic antifungal solution to protect plants from infections caused by excess moisture. For storms, floods, or hurricanes, move all potted plants indoors or under covered patios. Tie taller plants gently to garden stakes for support. Keep backup cuttings of sensitive plants, so even if a plant dies, you can regrow it. And that's it, my friends. With these simple, easy hacks, your garden will stay healthy, safe, and thriving, no matter the weather. If you found these tips useful, please hit like, subscribe to Peak Agro Seeds, and share this video with other gardening lovers. Tell me in the comments, what's the biggest challenge your garden faces during the rainy season? I'd love to help you.